Do you like muffins but you can't eat it because you're on a keto diet? Try to cook these delicious keto banana muffins with a strawberry butter. Ingredients: muffins, 1.5 large bananas, 1 cup almond meal, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons butter, no salt, 2 tablespoons sugar-free syrup, 1 teaspoon allspice, ground, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons unsweetened coconut flakes, strawberry butter, 0.25 cup butter, no salt, 6 medium strawberries. Instructions: 1. Turn on your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Weigh all the ingredients that need to be measured out and leave aside. 3. Mash the bananas in a big mixing bowl. 4. Add all the other ingredients to the mashed bananas and mix everything well. 5. Line a muffin tray with paper muffin cases and use cooking spray to grease the cases on the inside. 6. Fill the cases until they're 3/4 full and put the tray inside the hot oven. Allow the muffins to cook for 20 minutes. Avoid opening the oven door until the time is up. 7. Finally check the muffins after 20 minutes. They should look golden on the top and should have cooked through. 8. Allow the muffins to cool down first by leaving them in the oven with the oven door left open. 9. Pull them out of the oven after 10 minutes and leave aside. 10. To make the strawberry butter, roughly chop the strawberries and then blend the pieces with the butter in a food processor. You can't use a hand mixer to do this as it won't blend very well. 11. The butter has to be very soft, easily spreadable because the strawberries won't blend if the butter is still firm. 12. Spread the butter with a knife over each muffin and decorate with fresh fruit or nuts of your choice. If you like this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.